Hello, in today's video we have a behind the scenes look of installing a Gazco Huntingdon 30 gas stove along with a marble fireplace surround and bathstone hearth and slips. So we've got one of our installers here. We are just putting the muck for the hearth down. We've already chiseled out the segment for it. Here we're using straps to get the rear half down. We're checking that it's level against the wall, and look at that, yeah it is. And then we're just marking out for the front fireplace half, which we're carefully putting down, checking that that is level. Look at that, it is level. And then we're just marking out for the one of the legs for the natural marble fireplace surround. Very nice marble, that is from Chesney's. Checking that the two legs are level, putting the adhesive behind, marking out for the brackets to secure it to the wall, securing those brackets in place, checking that all of our distances are all correct, and drilling that into the wall. We did have to recess the brackets. We're just applying the non-combustible board within the chamber, checking it's all square, and then we put adhesive on this to make sure it's secure in place. We're just cutting the register plate and cutting the hole for the flue, and then this is all sprayed black. We're using good paint which has a flawless finish, so when you're looking up inside the fireplace it is all secure with no drafts, and it is black, so it's a lot darker. So we've got the register plate in, and we're just checking that the chamber is completely square. The slips are now going in to the side ones, just checking they're all in line, and then the next one, or the third one on top. And then we will secure those in place so they don't move. Securing the slips, and then we're just about to put we're just putting the top piece on the marble fireplace around, using the correct fixings to ensure that's in place. And there we go, that is without the gas stove. We're putting through the gas pipe, copper pipe, and at this point we've just moved the gas stove in on little shunters, ensuring that the fireplace half doesn't get scratched or damaged. And there we go, the gas stove is in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.